Kasut-kasut slipper zaman dulu, zaman Belanda lah, zaman Holland. Menarik.
Wah, kau maju.
Mama. Ya. Opa.
Katarina.
A lot of cold people. Welcome. Now, do you eat cheese? Yes. Do you really? You do? You eat cheese? Yes. We make a lot of cheese in this country. We've been making cheese for nearly 900 years. What? Thank you. Yes. It's a very long time, isn't it? 900 years of cheese making, and. Our cheese is called Gouda cheese. Have you heard of that? Gouda? Gouda? No. It's a very famous sort of cheese. It's actually in the world of cheeses. It's in the top 10 of world cheeses. Very famous, very special. This cheese has been made by hand. This cheese has been made by hand, and we're making it still today in exactly the same way as we've been making it all the way for these 900 years. Exactly the same way, handmade cheese. This is handmade, but the other cheeses in the shop are not handmade.
Ya, gula dia.
Susu. Susu. Ya, susu ni.
Ni yang apa cakap, yang old school lah, old school. Oh, memang lawa dah tempat ni. Sudah lawa.
Supermarket also have expensive cheese. It's cheaper than here.
No, but the stands that they have on stands.
Okay guys, tadi aku baru lepas main yang Zuhur Asar kat sini, dalam kawasan Turki, dekat Belanda, dekat Amsterdam kan. Ni masjid dia. Oh, kena pergi kawasan ni. Dalam masjid tu pun okey lah, nice. Memang nice, lawa gila. Ui, lawa kereta ni. Memang lawa kereta ni. Oh shit. Memang lawa, memang lawa. Costa, tempat di mana diamond topi Elizabeth. dia bas dia. Ada satu lagi bas tu, dia bukan bas, dia train hantar jalan raya. Train jalan. Ni tadi tapi ramai orang. Tu dia kat sana. Macam mana tu? Aku dapat tahu basikal dia tak ada brake, tapi yang sepakat mati tu. Okay, korang akan nampak tu. Ya. Dua sekali. Harok Cafe Amsterdam. Yeah. Try masuk dulu. Tak tahu beli ke tak. Tengok harga ni shit. Guys, korang tengok ni, dia mengelilingi Belanda. Tolong adik.
Ha?
Okey tak?
Okey.
Ha?
Okey.
Tak nampak lah. Dia pusing satu Belanda lah, katakan satu bandar Belanda katakan. Harga tiket tak silap aku 16 euro seorang. Tapi disebabkan group by group dapat 10 euro seorang. So agak berbalik juga lah. 10 euro kalilah dengan RM4, 30 sen tak silap aku. So nice. Memang nice. Tu lah. Tu adalah National Opera dia. Macam ada Hong Kong. guys, actually aku dah sampai aku dah sampai hotel. So hari ni aku tidur dengan bapak aku juga. Hotel yang aku duduk dekat Amsterdam ni, hotel yang sama masa aku tidur dekat Perancis. Nama hotel dia pun sama, Ibis. So ok lah, yang hotel dekat Amsterdam ni pun sama ok. So agak besar juga. So dia actually dia sebelah dengan airport Amsterdam. So nice lah. So saya pause sikit je aku. Okay guys, stay tune. Aku nak rehat. Bye. Jangan lupa subscribe, share, like and comment. Aku pun dah start semua. Demam. Batuk pun tak like. Batuk je tak. Harap-harap tak lah. Dapat batuk. Okay guys, bye. Assalamualaikum.